Daiwiki. Today I'm doing an activity called rocket launching. Pow! I'll teach you how to do rocket launching with your home things. We need color pencil. First we need paper, then pencil, then color pencil, scissors, building blocks or toys that's made of wood. So we do a rectangle. And then pins. And then paper. And then rubber bands, and then paper pins, and then scissors. Now, let's start with pencil. Now I'm done with my rocket. See? Ta-da! Now I need just to make a rocket launcher. First, we need to get the building block or any wooden toy that is a rectangle. And then we need to push the pins in near the end of the rectangle. Sorry. That's done. Now we need to put the rubber band like this. Then we need to get the paper pen and then open it. Oh wow, it's hard. So we need to pin the rocket with the paper pen. Then we need to put the other side here. And I'm done! Now I'm gonna launch the rocket. Dun 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 dun. Rocket launchers is done. Please subscribe, ring the bell, see you next time. Bye!